Well, here we are on the plot, and it's time for Brussels sprout harvesting.
Hooray!
Now, me and Steve love Brussels sprouts, but Tony doesn't like them, do you, Tony?
I'm genetically not predisposed.
There are some people that are supposed to not like Brussels for genetic reasons.
There's nothing that will ever make me eat one of these.
Well, we are going to make a recipe today that we think will convert you to liking Brussels sprouts.
We'll change all that.
Yeah. I tell you what, while we're doing this, so you can't be disgusted, we want you to go and get one of your favourite chili peppers.
Ah, right, now we're talking.
And bring us a pot of chili peppers. Yeah. So off you go, Tony, and go and find one of your favourite chilies.
I'll get some chilies from the greenhouse.
And while we start preparing it. Okay, so you just want a pan, a little bit of oil in the pan, and into the pan we're going to put some chopped shallots.
Homegrown?
Homegrown shallot, it's all homegrown. And with the shallots we're going to put some lardons, or you can just chop up some bacon nice and fine. So let's do that first. There you go. Ah, have we got a name for this one?
These are New Mex Twilight. They're very pretty, but they also give a bit of heat, I've found, when I've cooked them before.
Ah.
So I'll pick some of these.
Just one shallot, or would you like another one, do you think?
Do you think that might be enough, I think?
Alright.
It's just to give Tony a taste. So we've got to cook that through so that all the shallot is softened. In fact, we need a little bit of garlic as well, I think. A little bit of garlic. You can always add a bit of garlic. I think that's good for masking the tape of Brussels.
You'll never know.
I haven't got to eat all of those, have I?
I bet you can't even bring yourself to chop those up, could you?
I don't mind them raw, as long as I'm not eating them.
Now, Brussels sprouts, they're quite fun to grow. And you can get varieties now that are slightly better flavour.
Really?
They're improving the flavour all the time.
I like
Sweeter,
those purple
much
ones.
It's much sweeter.
Yeah, but
They,
they've still
they,
got
they
that
almost
little...
don't taste like Brussels sprouts at all.
No, it almost tastes like chocolate.
Now we're talking.
So that would be the day, wouldn't
How
it?
small are you cutting up your... See, if they're small, that's...
Oh, you're chopping them up. That's good, Tony.
That's not bad.
I'm impressed.
They don't even smell that
Will you
nice,
need
do they?
therapy after you've done that?
Confronting your fears.
Oh.
You only need to sort of slice them up, or... Yeah. I think the idea is if they're not too big, then he's not going to crunch into a really large Brussels, and actually then...
Actually, that's fine. It's those kind of Sunday or Christmas Day roasts that you do, and then you've got Brussels sprouts with them, and they're
soggy Brussels.
The whole, gosh. So these are going to be a little bit mixed up with other things, so I think
You might be all right.
you might convince me.
So we'll just let that cook through.
The thing is, I don't like bacon either. Only joking.
Fibbing there.
Oh, that's better. We've got the sizzle.
Oh, it does smell nice, but then there's no Brussels sprouts in here.
Don't sully it with Brussels sprouts, he says.
Listen to that
Good.
sizzle.
Lovely, I can smell the bacon. Oh.
You're right. I think we'll leave that with Brussels. Let's just eat the bacon.
Shall we just, you've done it. You convinced me. Leave the Brussels out.
It's the reverse effect now. We
Oh,
don't
do you want the
Brussels.
chilies in?
Oh yes, let's put a few chilies in.
Gosh.
Yeah.
This will-
Oh, I think that's enough. Brussels sprouts for any person.
Yeah, that might be. That's probably about right.
Stop chopping till I
Right.
can
Yeah.
get a bit carried away
Trying to be
there.
sick.
I think they probably could go in.
Think? Yeah.
I think the bacon's nearly cooked. We need a little bit longer, but
All of them.
yeah, that'll do.
Well, it's certainly brought a bit of colour to it.
So, do you ever eat Brussels at all,
Oh,
Tony?
yeah, I've tried them. I've really forced myself at times.
Actually, that
I
wants to
don't
be a
mind
bit.
cooking them, but I will not eat them.
Okay, so when it's all cooked through, time to add. Take it off the heat. Turn the heat down. Add a little bit of cream. Oh,
Splash yourself first.
yum.
Splash it all over.
There we go, a little bit of cream. Oh, look at that, plenty of cream. Add a little bit of parmesan into it now. Yeah.
I
Stay
like that
when.
bit.
Oops, all blown away.
Oh, yeah. I mean, that's fine. Yeah, I think you can use something like mozzarella, which is or Gruyere. That's hard to say because it makes it all nice and stringy cheese in it all through, which is really nice. So basically, while you've either got it on a very, very low heat, or obviously the heat of this is probably enough just to melt the cheese through and mix the cream up. We don't want it too hot at this stage. Okay, that's mixed through nicely. Now what we do is we sprinkle either mozzarella, or again we'll put some more parmesan on. That's what we've got on the top. Sprinkle that over, and I might put a little bit of
Yes, put anything in that covers up the taste of the Brussels sprouts. I'm happy with that.
bit of pepper. Could have mixed that in a bit earlier. A bit of pepper. Actually, you probably need a little bit of salt, really. A little bit of salt, maybe. Just a crystal on the top. Look at that. There you go.
Where's it then?
Now this is going to go under the
Flip it then.
Yeah, I thought you were going to go. Whoop.
Brussels pancake. This is going to go under the grill just for a few minutes to melt the cheese,
Lovely.
and then we're going to do the taste test.
Hurrah. Bit I'm looking forward
Scary.
Okay, so the cheesy Brussels have been under the grill, and they've got a lovely nice sort of coating to them now. So now is the moment of truth. Will Tony like Brussels sprouts?
to. Eat.
Cheesy Brussels, here
Right.
we go.
I'm gonna take some of the Brussels. I'm not gonna.
Yeah, we're
Not.
making sure of that. We're making sure.
Oh look, there's loads of Brussels in this, isn't there?
You
God.
can't avoid them.
Here we go.
Mm. I have to say, it's really lovely.
Yeah.
But I can't taste any Brussels sprouts, which is fine.
Which is probably not a surprise
And-
because it has garlic, pepper, chili
But
pepper,
it's
cheese.
actually- and that chilli in it just gives it a lovely bit of bite.
Mmm. Mmm.
Oh, that is lovely.
Mmm.
That is gorgeous.
Oh, that is nice. Oh, yeah.
But if you'd have put cabbage in there, it would still taste lovely. So,
I've got a certain crunch about them now as well.
true.
Mmm, Brussels have got a
Try one
lovely
with the
crunch. Oh, I've had a bit of pepper.
Mm.
Whoa, that's, whoa,
Wow.
that twilight is a bit hot. Oh, that's,
I've just had a crunch of Brussels there, it's alright. Can't really taste it.
Mm.
But the texture's there.
So,
so,
you'll eat Brussels sprouts.
if they're made like this.
If they're made like this, yeah. As long as I can't taste them, I shall have them every day.
I mean, this would be a good way of getting children to eat their veg, isn't it? Oh, you maybe leave the chilli out,
Yeah,
but,
leave the chilli out.
but with your cheese and the Brussels and the
No,
onion,
Seriously, that is lovely.
that is really nice.
Tastes gorgeous.
Yeah, I would eat that for lunch any day.
Mmm.
In fact.
Yeah, I'm getting a bit of Brussels now, but it's not too strong.
Mmm.
Well, little Brussels are quite sweet anyway, aren't
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah.
Mmm. Yeah, so that's a good dish then.
I think it's a lovely dish, and despite the Brussels being in it, I'd give it 100%.
Hey, we've
Yeah,
done
but-
it.
Yeah, we've done it.
Hooray!
And I'm not just saying that, it's really lovely.
Converted a Brussels hater. So why not make your own cheesy Brussels?
Yeah, why not?
I'm gonna have some